English, please. Loading. One moment. I shall begin in a minute. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. It's Stuffy, the D Asylum. I've come with a game, another game from Itch.io, called the Lakeside Walk. I'm running out of games. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I'm almost out. I'm not gonna cap. Sorry. I just put a Sour Patch in my mouth. Pretty good. What's the controller? Move camera. Woo. Okay. I like it. You know, as we do before we start any of these games, allow me to turn off my light real quick. One moment. Wait. One moment. Wait. Ah! My foot! Ah! 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 I withstand the pain. Whoa! What? Hey, that's pretty cool. It just... The game just went... Hey, that was neat. What? Did you see that? Screenshot. You take that. That'll be a good thumbnail right there. I just started the game and it immediately went to the game. Is there a flashlight? Good heavens. What is... Hold up. I'm sweating. Okay. No flashlight? For sure. What are we doing? So this is a lakeside walk that we're doing. We're just bored and we decided to come out here in the middle of the night because we have no games and we're clearly bored out of our damn mind. So we decided to walk on this not well lit lakeside. What do you call it? Oh, okay. Yeah, that's clearly the engineers need to come back out here and fix some of these lights. I'm assuming this is the lake out here. Oh, wow, hold up. Wait a minute. Huh. It's actually a little peaceful. It would be if there were more damn lights. If there were more lights around. What the hell was that? Did I see something? I'm tripping. Is that a duck? Whack. Whack, whack. Welcome to Ali. Ali known as Ali in the local dialect is a small Venetian town with 1,000 or round to a 100. 1,100 inhabitants nestled among the specular peaks of the Dolomites. Cordoval, right? Cordoval River, the massive debris buried 3 villages forever, altering the landscape. Despite its tragic origin, the lake is now the beating heart of the local tourism. Its crystal clear waters reflect the towering wall of Mount Civetta, attracting visitors from around the world, from skiing enthusiasts to hikers. Are they both the same thing? Yeah, it does. Duck. Whack whack. Whack 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 whack. Whack whack. Wait. And you on a night run. Oh, they're doing a night run? Today? That's just nature taking its course right there. That's just nature. Nature does that from time to time. Yeah, you know, something bigger. Oh, for sure. It's probably a squirrel. It's nature. Yeah, that's nature right there. Just doing its thing. I got no problems. Yeah, that's just nature cooking. That wood? Oh, what the fuck? Deer? That's just nature. That's That's just nature taking its course. I get it. Who wouldn't? Who would? Now let's be honest, right? Who wouldn't jump to a deer, right? I'll be honest. It's probably because I kind of got PTSD. Kind of got PTSD from when me and my friend were driving back home. It took a while to get home. A couple hour drive. Ran into a deer. Whopped that thing. Whopped it respectfully. Had the wettest whop. What? August 16th, 2025. Lakeside boat. Okay. What a nice thing, right? Yeah, that's normal. Lake is a perfect getaway for the seeking nature, sports, and recreation. Town offers a wide range of activities, running events, modern ski, lifts, and entertainment for both adults and children. In the summer, it takes on a demonic. How many words? DEMON. Demon. I see demonics. You put an S in there, it's demonics. Demonics. Where fishermen, rowboats, and paddle boats create a charming atmosphere. During the warmer months, the weekly Lakeside market draws tourists. Wow, market? That's pretty cool. There's a lot of wood out here. They better not randomly give me a shift button. Oh. Hello. It's kind of dark. Jump scare. Yeah, it's gonna happen. Yeah, we need to get some engineers out here. Wind, right? That's what makes sense. Let's go. Splash party. Oh, word? Who doesn't like a little splashing? I love a little splash. Splashing is fun. Eat the jump scare. The lake of shadow chilling Wait, what? The mystery of the lake of shadows. The chilling disappearance of LA, despite its charms, became infamous between the 1930s and 1940, and once again in the 1980s due to a series of mysterious disappearances. Yep. Series of mysterious disappearances, although the exact circumstances remain uncertain. It is believed that these events occurred near like, I don't want to turn around. Oh, please. As the last trace of the victims were discovered in proximity. The missing individuals included men, women, young people, and adults, all vanishing without a trace in a phenomenon that seems to repeat so cyclically for decades. Okay. So it's been like decades, right? You know, surely it hasn't been a decade since the last one. Has inspired numerous books, attempts to shed lights on what happened, but without ever solving the enigma. Filmed mysteries, chilling stories, to a big secret. The lake is often portrayed as a symbol of the dark secrets on alley. Yep. My camera did not turn the right way. Do I live in? Am I a local? I'm clearly not a local. Cause I don't understand the mechanics. If I see somebody run, it's jog day. That's normal. That should be. Oh yeah, I'm cooked. Oh, that thing sounds way. Ooh. Ambiance. What am I getting that for? Who's that? Hey, You a traveler? Must be lost. Let's investigate. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Oh, I got a flashlight now? Am I a detective? I must be. Do you know this detective right now? Who's breathing? Is that a crow? Impending doom. That's a sign. I shouldn't be in here. Hello? What is that? A 240? That sounded like a 7.62. Shoot them goddamn rounds up. Oh my god. There's a lot of trees out here. Oh, it's an owl. It's the owl run. They were doing that, right? That was the thing. It's kind of dark. You lift your bag, sir. For over 6 months. I'm small. I've been shaken by. If you get me while I'm reading this, it's not gonna affect me. You should wait. I just want to point that out, game. You should wait. Let me finish reading this and then come get me. Have vanished without a trace. The case has sparked growing uneasiness, bringing back memories of similar events in 1930s and 1940s. At that time, it seems the disappearance affecting the last 7 people remain unsolved, with investigations quickly dismissed due to lack of evidence. Okay. Today's history to be repeating itself. Local authorities have intensified their efforts, but no concrete leads have emerged. More than 40 years have passed, but the scar left by the past disappearance are still fresh in community members. The family of the victim refused to remain silent, which are determination, a reminisce of past decades. They are insisting on resolutions to the case. Authorities have vowed to remain watchful, yet growing fear suggests the town may be facing another wave of mysterious disappearance. Someone is killing people. We need to stop him. I gotta be a cop. The case recently reopened. Oh, recently? Yeah. I don't think I'm making out this late. Remains a priority for local police, yet still unanswered. One day, suspicions are giving rise. Let's go straight. I'm dead. He left it on purpose. He left it. He wants to tease me. He's teasing my death. My impending doom. He left the axe. I should pick it up to defend myself. But why would I? I'm a simple protagonist. With no knowledge. No knowledge at all. I'm but a simpleton. Someone's dead. Yup. Hey, who's in this house? Huh? Oh, okay. I should continue along the path. That was my mistake. I strayed away. I will never stray away from the path again. Keep on the path. Back up. I'm backing up. Light? Light of impending health. There's someone in front of me. I'm dead. I see him. I see him. I'm dead. Oh, it's a flashlight? Oh yeah, I'm dead. This is a strat. Hello? Still no leads. Investigating the recent disappearance, I have uncovered documented testimonies linking these events similar to cases from the 1930s and the 1980s. The missing individuals seem to have vanished thin air without a trace. Local whisperers tell an ancient pound like a sacrifice. This is Cthulhu? A local fisherman interviewed claimed to have witnessed a faceless figure rise from the water moments before inexplicable wave capsized his boat. Dear God, this is getting juicy. An old local chronicle recounts that the mother of B. Padillion, a young man who vanished in 1980, swore she heard knocking at her door 3 days after his disappearance. When she opened it, she only found footprints. Well, I didn't hear any knocking, and my house isn't near here, so. Hypothesis: the lake might conceal geological dangers such as sudden backflow or whirlpools, but nature really be selected in choosing its victim? I don't think about that, but that could be a coincidence. Could the missing individuals have desperately tried to escape from an isolated, lonely, and mentally stiffing town? Some perish? Occurring near the lake in past centuries, they speak bodies never blank 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 occult worshipping the blank 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 in the water. Could there be it's Cthulhu. It's Cthulhu. I'm gonna eat a jump scare right here. It's gonna hurt. Oh yeah, you hear that grumbling? Oh yeah. He's grumbling. He wants me to die. Oh yeah. I'm about to twerk. I'm gonna twerk it out. Is that my flashlight going away? Oh, for sure. But you know, you can have both. There's no way I'm making out of this lake alive. Yeah, right. Yeah. Oh, word? Let's just go back. Hello? Is that Cthulhu? What the hell? What? What? Are those the lost people? What the? Huh? What? Oh! No! Wait! Wait, please! Well, wait, hold on! Wait. Oh my god! Oh my god! What? Just one more. Oh, they're about to probe me. I'm about to get probed. I dab him. Is that the Milky Way? Oh. What's that? England? That's England, right? And then underneath that, Africa. Looks like it. Looks like the Red Sea. England over there. Africa. Oh my god. Mind blown. I thought it was a monster and like cult. Turned out it was aliens? That's kind of sick. Developed from the Spaghetti Invasion Game Jam 2025. Shout out to those guys. Pretty good game. Pretty good game. Music by Scott Art. Shout out to Scott. Shout out to Scott Art. Pretty good music. Piano Stinker. Obsidian X. Shout out to Obsidian. Pretty good pianoing. Felt that. Hey, okay. That was Lakeside Walk. That was pretty good. For that little, how long was that? 16, well, a little more because my game died. But that was pretty good. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll see you in whatever else we play next. Peace out. Have fun. Have many journeys and have a good rest or a good day if your day started. But this is Tuffy, the D Silent, signing off.